Good morning, everybody. As Collector has already briefed, that elaborate detail already he has given to you. Just I want to make it in short. You know very well that already we are doing the arrangement regarding COVID-19. Same will continue till 3rd May. Only we are getting relaxed intra-district. Borders will be sealed as it is now. All the 7 border check posts plus 27 porous entry points, all will be sealed as it is now. There is no relaxation in that. Even it will be more, we'll keep more vigil there, not to allow any other person to come here. But in Karaikal, we will be getting relaxed as it is green zone. Already collectors are told what activity has to be given extra relax. Like agriculture part is there, farmers etc. are there, fisheries part are there, or industrial worker there, or e-commerce are there, construction workers are there. They will get relaxed. It means we will not enforce that much intra-district. Means if we are getting the details that they are going for Mandrega purpose, for industrial purpose, and some passes are being given to them by concerned unit, concerned factory, concerned department, etc., or Mandrega job card, etc. they are having, then we will not stop them, we will facilitate. You must be knowing, till now 417 cases already booked, 6,250 vehicle already impounded, 213 already we have made arrest, although it is available. So already we have enforced it. Further we will go for enforcement if any person is roaming unnecessarily. We will not spare them because it is not festival time. It is pandemic time. If any person is going for essential work, we will allow. But if any person is roaming unnecessarily, we will take action as per law. As collectors are already briefed that mask and social distancing, these two are the key and we have to enforce that. So even we are allowing any person or any group, they also have to do the same thing. It is guideline from MHA and our government is also endorsing that. Collectors are also briefed to you. What is request from all public, whenever they are coming to public place, they should compulsory wear mask and maintain social distancing. See, all things police cannot do. We are having very meager force here. Now we are trying to get support from village defense youth group, fishermen, watchman groups, and other volunteers. Maybe sometime we can involve NSS, NCC, etc. also. Because now crowd will be little bit more. Obviously, we have to regulate inside more. But again, I am requesting all the person, to public especially, whenever needed, then only you go for any purpose. Still lockdown is on, it is not over. Only certain relaxations are given. I hope public will understand and cooperate with us so that Karaikal may be 0 positive case. Karaikal should have 0 positive case. For that, not only we have to watch neighboring district, besides we have to maintain social distancing, wearing mask and other personal and social hygiene we have to maintain. That is the request from public. Thank you.